Chapter, The Fun They Had. It's your first chapter of Beehive. The story we shall read is set in future when books and schools as we now know them will perhaps not exist. It is basically such a time where you are not going to study from the books, but basically you are going to study from the computers or telebooks. How will children study then? The diagram below may give you some ideas. This can be applicable nowadays because the classes are going on online. Earlier, when you used to go to school, used to have direct interaction with your teachers. You used to study from the books directly, but now, as the online classes are going on, you study from the basically teachers are teaching from laptops, mobiles, with the help of laptops and mobiles. And so this story may be applicable nowadays. How will children study then? Learning through computers, as you are studying nowadays. Virtual classroom. Virtual classroom is basically the online classes which you are taking now. Moving e-text. Studying directly from the computer when the text is moves on the computer. Robotic teachers, where the teachers are where robots act as teachers. Margie even wrote about it that night in her diary. On the page headed 17th May 2157, she wrote, "Today Tommy found a real book." It's story about two brothers, and there's one girl and a boy. They are brother and sisters. So Margie has written something in her diary, and the date which she has written is 17th May 2157. And what did she write? That Tommy found a real book. Tommy को एक book मिली है, as if you study now from the books. Tommy's brother, Margie's sister. It was a very old book. Margie's grandfather once said that when he was a little boy, his grandfather told him that there was a time when all stories were printed on papers. As you study from the books, stories are printed on the pages. So there was a time when Tommy's grandfather's grandfather used to study from books, because now it is 2021 and this story has been set in 2157. So it is set in future. They turned the pages which were yellow and crinkly. जब एक बुक पुरानी हो जाती है तो what is the color of a page? It becomes yellow. Crinkly means it has many folds. And it was awfully funny to read words that stood still instead of moving the way they were supposed to on a screen. If you study on the computer, the words move, but when you study from a book, the words are still. आप बुक में से पढ़ते हैं तो वर्ड्स जो हैं वो आपको चलते हुए दिखाई नहीं देते हैं, they are static. And then when they turned back to the page before, it had the same words on it and that it had when they read it the first time. "Key," said Tommy. "What a waste. When you are through with the book, you just throw it away, I guess. Our television screen must have had 1,000,000 books on it, and it's good for plenty more. I wouldn't throw it away." Tommy believes that when you have a book, if you have read that book, अगर आप बुक पढ़ लेते हैं तो आप उसको फेंक देते हैं. But when you study from a computer might be having millions of books, so you don't throw that book. "Same with mine," said Margie. She was 11 and hadn't seen as many telebooks as Tommy had. He was 13. Now age of Tommy and Margie. Tommy is 13 years and Margie is 11, means Margie is younger. Margie छोटी है, 11 years old. Tommy 13 years old. She said, "Where did you find it?" "In my house." He pointed without looking because he was busy reading. "In the attic." And Tommy had found that book. And he had found that book in the attic. Attic is a space just below the roof used as a storeroom. Basically, attic is a small room which acts as a store, where you generally keep the waste things. Attic. "What's it about?" Margie asked. "What is the book about?" Tommy replies, "School." Margie was scornful. Scornful means contemptuous, showing you think something is worthless. No, she doesn't believe. What is school? School? What's there to write about school? I hate school. Margie doesn't like school. Margie always hated school, but now she hated it more than ever. The mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test in geography, and she had been doing worse and worse until her mother had shaken her head sorrowfully and sent for the county inspector. Why does she hate the school? Because on the computer, she basically studies in front of the computer and she has to take test regarding geography. बट शी नेवर परफॉर्म्स वेल. उसका जोग्राफी का टेस्ट जब भी होता है उसके नंबर उसमें अच्छे नहीं आते हैं. दैट इज़ वाई शी हेट्स द वर्ड स्कूल. एंड नाउ अल्टीमेटली हर मदर इज़ फ्रस्ट्रेटेड एंड शी कंसल्ट्स द काउंटी इंस्पेक्टर. नाउ हु इज़ द काउंटी इंस्पेक्टर? इज़ नॉट अ पुलिस इंस्पेक्टर. You will see here he is a computer mechanic. He was a round little man with a red face and a whole box of tools with dial and wires. He was a man. If question comes that who was the county inspector, he was a round little man, a healthy man with a red face, and he had a box of tools. Basically, he was a computer mechanic. He smiled at Margie and gave her an apple, then took the teacher apart. Margie had hoped that he wouldn't know how to put it together again. But he knew how all right, and after an hour or so, there it was again. That computer mechanic repaired the computer within 1 hour. Large and black and ugly, with a big screen on which all the lessons were shown and the questions were asked. That wasn't so bad. The part Margie hated most was the slot, where she had to put homework and test papers. The part which was worst for Margie was to do the homework and take the test. She always had to write them out in a punch code they made her learn when she was 6 years old. And the mechanical teacher calculated the marks in no time. If you are taking some test in the computer, so immediately you get the result. So slot is the given space, time or position. Slot is the it can be a slot, be 7 to 8. If I say your class will be from 7 to 8, it is slot 7 to 8. It can be the place in the computer where you have to appear for test. The inspector had smiled after he was finished and patted Margie's head. He said to her mother, "It's not the little girl's fault, Mrs. Jones. I think the geography sector was geared a little too quick." Now, Mrs. Jones is mother of Margie. The computer mechanic or the county inspector told Mrs. Jones that it was not Margie's fault. Means Margie की गलती नहीं है कि she is not performing well. The speed of that section was fast. Those things happen sometimes. I've slowed it up to an average 10-year level. Now he has reduced the speed as per the level of a 10-year-old child. Margie is 11 years old, so he has reduced the speed according to a 10-year-old child. Actually, the overall pattern of her progress is quite satisfactory, and he patted Margie's head again. Margie was disappointed. She had been hoping they would take the teacher away altogether. They had once taken Tommy's teacher away for nearly a month because the history sector had blanked out completely. Once Tommy's computer had a fault, his history section was blank, so the computer had to be taken for 1 month. County mechanic took 1 month to repair it. So she said to Tommy, "Why would anyone write about school?" So she asked why somebody will write about school, because she used to hate schools. Tommy looked at her with a very superior eyes. "Because it's not our kind of school, stupid. This is the old kind of school that had hundreds and hundreds of years ago. That they had hundreds and hundreds years ago." He added loftily. Loftily means in a superior way. He said that its school is not like ours. He added loftily, pronouncing the word carefully, "centuries ago." Margie was hurt. "Well, I don't know what kind of school they had all that time ago." She read the book over his shoulder for a while and then said, "Anyway, they had a teacher." Basically, he told that they used to study from a teacher. Sure, they had a teacher, But that wasn't a regular teacher, it was a man. Regular teacher here basically refers to telebook, computer, because they study from a computer. यहाँ रेगुलर टीचर उनके लिए क्या है, कंप्यूटर है या टेलीबुक है. बट ही सेज दैट दे यूज्ड टू स्टडी फ्रॉम अ मैन. Regular here, normal, of the usual kind. A man. How could a man be a teacher? Well, he just told the boys and girls things and gave them homework and asked them questions. Like we are the teachers who are teaching you. So human beings act as the teacher. They teach you, they give you homework, and the students do it. Well, he just told the boys and girls things and gave them homework and asked them questions. A man isn't smart enough. Sure he is. My father knows as much as my teacher. He knows almost as much. I betcha. I betcha means I bet. Bet you. Margie wasn't prepared to dispute that. She said, I wouldn't want a strange man in my house to teach me. Now she said that I don't want a man to come in my house and teach. Because she studies in her own house. कंप्यूटर पे वो घर पे ही पढ़ती है. So she thinks that the teacher used to go to the house and teach the student. Tommy screamed with laughter. So Tommy started laughing. You don't know much, Margie. The teachers did not live in the house. They had a special building and all the kids went there. So now Tommy is telling Margie that the students used to go to a special building called school. And all the kids learned the same thing. Sure, if they were the same age. But my mother says a teacher has to be adjusted to fit the mind of each boy and girl it teaches, and that each kid has to be taught differently. Now, Margie believes that every child should be taught according to his abilities. कि हर बच्चे को उसकी स्पीड पे पढ़ाया जाए. अब अगर क्लास में टीचर पढ़ाएंगे तो वो हर बच्चे को उसकी एबिलिटी के अकॉर्डिंग तो नहीं पढ़ा पाएंगे, बिकॉज देयर आर मैनी स्टूडेंट्स. जस्ट द सेम, दे डिड नॉट डू इट that way then. If you don't like it, you don't have to read the book. I didn't say I didn't like it, Margie said quickly. She wanted to read about those funny schools. They weren't even half finished when Margie's mother called Margie's school. In the meantime, Margie's mother, Mrs. Jones, called Margie and told that it's time for her school. Margie looked up. Not yet, Mama. Now, said Mrs. Jones, and it's probably time for Tommy too. Margie said to Tommy, can I read the book some more with you after school? Maybe, he said nonchalantly. He walked away whistling, the dusty old book tucked beneath his arm. Now, Tommy and Margie go to their respective rooms to study in front of computers, nonchalantly, not showing much interest or enthusiasm. Margie went into the schoolroom. It was right next to her bedroom, and the mechanical teacher was on and waiting for her. It was always on at the same time every day except Saturday and Sunday. So she used to study in front of the computer or the mechanical teacher every day except Saturday and Sunday. This means she never had class on Saturday and Sunday, because her mother said the little girls learned better if they learned at regular hours. The screen was lit up and it said, today's arithmetic lesson is on addition of proper fractions. So she was to study arithmetic. Please insert yesterday's homework in the proper slot. Before beginning, they had to submit their homework. Margie did so with a sigh, and you know Margie hated doing homework. So she gave a sigh. She was thinking about the old schools they had when her grandfather's grandfather was a little boy. All the kids from the whole neighborhood came laughing and shouting in the schoolyard, sitting together in the schoolroom, going home together at the end of the day. They learned the same things, so they could help one another with the homework and talk about it. So she was thinking that how enjoyable it was where the students went there. इकट्ठे बच्चे जाते हैं, एक कमरे में बैठते हैं, इकट्ठे पढ़ते हैं, अपनी प्रॉब्लम्स को शेयर करते हैं, and the teachers were people. The mechanical teacher was flashing on the screen when we add fractions. Fraction is 1 by 2 and 1 by 4. Margie was thinking about how the kids must have loved it in the old days. She was thinking about the fun they had. Margie thought that how fun they had when they used to go in the school. The story is written by Isaac Asimov. Now there are some questions here. How old are Tommy and Margie? Margie is 11, Tommy is 13. What did Margie write in her diary? Margie wrote that Tommy had found a real book. Had Margie ever seen a book before? No, Margie had not seen a book before. What things about the book did she find strange? The words in the book were still, and the words were printed on pages. What do you think a telebook is? Telebook is a book on computer or a mechanical. It's basically a mechanical teacher or computer where the students used to study. Where was Margie's school? Margie's school was in the room next to her bedroom. Did she have any classmates? No, she did not have classmates. What subjects did Tommy and Margie learn? They learned history, arithmetic, geography. Answer the following with reference to the story. I wouldn't throw it away. Who says these words? I wouldn't throw it away. Tommy said these words. What did it refer to? It refers to the computer or mechanical teacher. What is it being compared with by the speaker? Tommy is comparing the computer with the book, regular book, real book. Sure, they had a teacher, but it wasn't a regular teacher, it was a man. Who does they refer to? They refer to the students who used to go to the school to study centuries ago. What does regular mean here? Regular here basically refers to the television or this mechanical teacher or computer. What is it contrasted with? This computer is contrasted with a man who used to act as a regular teacher. What kind of teachers did Margie and Tommy have? Margie and Tommy used to study from telebooks or mechanical teachers. Why did Margie's mother send for county inspector? Margie was not doing good in geography section, so she called the county inspector. What did he do? He reduced the speed of geography section as per age of 10-year-old child. Why was Margie doing badly in geography? What did the county inspector do to help her? Margie was doing badly in geography because the speed of geography section was fast, and the county inspector reduced the speed of geography section. What had once happened to Tommy's teacher? Tommy's history section had gone blank, so the county inspector took it for 1 month. Did Margie have regular days and hours for school? Yes. If so, why? Because her mother believed that it's good to study at a regular time. How was Tommy? How does Tommy describe the old kind of school? Old kind of school is in the regular building. Teachers teach the students. Students of same age study in same class. They sit in the same classroom and they share their doubts. How does he describe the old kind of teachers? The old kind of teachers were men. What are the main features of mechanical teachers and the school rooms that Margie and Tommy have in the story? Main features, it's basically a computer that is set in a room. The students study at a fixed hours. They had to put their homework in a particular slot, and the text is set according to the age of students. Why did Margie hate school? Margie used to hate school. Basically, she used to hate the work of doing homework and doing assignments. Why did she think the old kind of school must have been fun? She thought that going to a school, sitting in a classroom, sitting with the students of same age group, discussing their doubts might be a great fun. So hope you have understood the